How excited is your teacher that we have iPads and the DoInk app? We've been wanting this for a long time, and I'm so happy about it. So if you see Mr. Busey in the hallway, definitely thank him for getting these iPads and the app. I'm so excited. Anyway, so I'm going to show you some things about the app that I want you to know, and we want to become experts on this because we're going to be green screening a lot. So on Google Classroom, let me show you the first. I have posted this, and basically this first link tells you about green screen and why it works. I'd like you to read the whole thing. And then the DoInk tutorials as well. We're going to watch all of them over time. We might not watch them all today, but I'm going to also show you right now live how to use this app on the iPad. I have connected it to my computer screen, so hopefully this will work. All right, so here we go. So this is my iPad, and it might be a little jumpy, but that's okay. You guys will figure it out. So this is the green screen app right here up in the upper right there corner there. And when you go right into the app, in the upper right corner, there's a plus sign. I'm going to hit the plus sign and click Create New Project. Now, there's 3 layers, and you'll learn about these in the DoInk tutorials. But the bottom layer, it's really important that the bottom layer is the background, the one they don't see through. So in your camera roll, you can save all kinds of pictures for your background. So let's pick some pumpkins. Now the 2 above it are going to be the green screen things. Now there's different options here. You click on the plus sign of the second row and you click image. You can find an image that you already have a picture of on green. If you don't have one, I'm going to show you in a minute how to take one. So here's a picture I already have on green. I'm going to click use. Now, as you can see, the real world is on the sides of him. So we're going to learn how to crop this. I'm going to take this picture, and you can actually, like you do with an iPhone or an iPad, you can use your 2 fingers to pinch and put him where you'd like him to go. Let's put him on top of this pumpkin. Now, as you notice, there's the real world there. So if you hit the crop button, which is the bottom or the middle one that looks like a crop button, you can crop out the real world. It's very cool. Try to get wrinkles and stuff like that out of the green screen. The lighting is the most important part. So now you see his borders are gone, and we can adjust him wherever we want to. Now, if there's some green still showing up from the green screen or the lighting, you hit on the rainbow circle. And on that rainbow circle, you can adjust the sensitivity of this picture. So you have to be really careful it doesn't disappear or just too much green showing up. So anyway, you play with the sensitivity to get it to work. Different colors do different things. And even the green part on the wheel can be adjusted, but usually you don't have to touch that one. So let's get him to come back. And there he is. All right. Now, on the top row, you can add another picture. It's great because you can layer things. So let's grab another one. Let's see. What do we have here? Let's grab another one with him with the pumpkin, which is fun because you can clone yourself. And then once again, you're going to crop the real world out, hitting the crop button, and click done. And then we'll give him a little friend over here. And play with the sensitivity so the green disappears and his outfit works. So to save it, you click on the bottom here where it says video and image, and you change it to image. You'll see the little blue thing move to image, and then you click save. And if you like how it looks, you click done, and then save to camera roll. And then you would share it with your own email, but we'll talk about that later. Anyway, so that's the basics. Now, the other thing you can do, which is really cool, is you can take a picture live. So if you click on the plus sign and click camera, I'm going to put an orange in here. Now, first it shows you, so you have to turn the camera around and obviously be on some green. And that should be working. I got to find my orange. Now, the camera's a different size, so it's kind of hard to find it sometimes. There it is. There's my hand. And there's the orange in part of my phone cord. So you can see there's some green around it, so you're going to want to adjust it. But what's really cool is if you have someone standing on the green screen, you can actually manipulate them live and put them where you want them and use the camera right in the app. The only problem with using the camera in the app is you have a lot less room for manipulation and things like that. Now, lights just went off in my classroom, so you can see what happens to my green. It doesn't work well without lighting. So we would fix the lighting on that. But that's a live camera. And the third thing I want to show you is that you can also use pictures that have transparent backgrounds from the internet, which we work on in class all the time, the checker marks, because transparency is the same thing as green screen. Okay, that's your first video on green screen. So I want you to go play and figure this out. Have some fun. Let me turn off this video. And we are out. See you soon.